Hello everyone, Sans here. In this video, we have the new laptop from Asus A412FL. This laptop was officially launched in June 2019. At launch, Asus claimed that this laptop is the smallest 14-inch colorful laptop. I bought this laptop in one of the offline store, and here I also got some bonus like backpack from Asus, and there are also some other additional accessories. Okay, now let's just open the box of this Asus A412FL. This Asus A412FL comes in silver color. When opening the box, at the top there is the prints of In Search of Incredible. And here it is, the laptop inside this white cover. The weight of this Asus A412FL laptop is pretty light, only 1.5 kilograms, or around 3.3 pounds. Before taking a look at the laptop, let's take a look at other content inside this box first. In this box there are two manual books, and then here we also get another box. It comes with a set of brackets for mounting an additional hard drive or SSD on this laptop. Inside the box we also got a cable and also the adhesive for hard drive. On the right side of the box there is a charger for the laptop. The charger comes with a very compact size. This charger adapter comes with maximum output 19V 3.42 ampere. And that's all the contents of the box. There's nothing else inside this box. Now let's put it all aside and check out the laptop itself. Here comes the Asus A412 laptop. On the front side of this laptop there is an Asus logo. At the bottom there are some information about this laptop along with the Windows 10 logo, because now all Asus laptops already comes with Windows 10 original. On the left and right side there is a speaker grill with a unique design. Apart from that, there are only rubber grips to keep the laptop steady on the table. For the design itself, this laptop looks quite simple and minimalist. The form factor is also quite thin. Now let's open the laptop and see the keyboard and display design. On the inside there are Intel and Nvidia GeForce stickers on the left side as usual. On the right there is a sticker that explains some key features of this laptop. There are ergo lift hinge, nano edge display and USB Type-C. Now let's see the keyboard design. The arrow keys look pretty narrow here. The shutdown button is also combined within the block of the keyboard. The ergo lift hinge feature on this laptop looks pretty simple. This ergo lift design makes the keyboard on the laptop a little raised up to 2 degrees when open. Even though it looks simple, this ergo lift design is very useful when typing, because it will be much more comfortable typing with the keyboard going up a bit as compared to typing on the flat keyboard. On the right side of this laptop there is a Kensington slot. Next to it there is a USB 3.0 port. Then there are two indicator lights and also a micro SD card slot. On the left there is a standard charger port, and it doesn't come with a USB Type-C charging port yet. Then beside there is an HDMI port, USB Type-A 2.0 port and USB Type-C 3.1. And finally there is a 3.5mm audio jack. The touchpad on this laptop also comes with a small square for fingerprint. Now let's turn on the laptop. Here it is, the screen display of this laptop. The unlocking process using the fingerprint on this laptop is quite fast and easy. After turning on the laptop, at the bottom of the keyboard there is a white keyboard backlit LED light. This is quite useful for typing in a fairly dark place. The screen resolution of this laptop is Full HD 1920 by 1080 pixels with 14-inch screen size. The 14-inch screen size on this laptop can be installed in such a compact size laptop because the screen of this laptop comes with a very thin bezel. The bezel on the left and right side of the display is pretty thin. The response of the touchpad is pretty good to use for everyday usage without the need for additional settings. And because this already comes with Windows 10 out of the box, all the drivers are already installed and you can already use laptop right away. Okay, that's the unboxing video of Asus A412FL. If you like the video like this, don't forget to click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so you will be notified when there is a new video from this channel. See you in the next video.